want to discuss is Asari Dokubo responsible for the insecurity in Igbo land? There's a recent video that surfaced about Asari Dokubo, which I'm going to play the video for you to listen to the video about Asari Dokubo making a statement to his followers or his boys or his whatever, telling them how successful they have been in their operation, more especially in Igbo land and other part of the world, Nigeria, how he has been deployed by the government, how he has been deployed by the government of former President Buhari. Then he said I mentioned date, facts and figures, how they operated in Igbo land. Why I'm making this video is not because you have not heard it. I want to analyze it. Many people were asking me question. Shebi, you have been accusing Simon. Well, didn't you hear Asari Dokubo? I've been telling you, Asari Dokubo, they started abusing me, telling me a lot of things. That after listening to Asari Dokubo, you're still accusing Simon. Who are you? You are wicked. You are saboteur. You're out of jealous, out of hatred. So most time, I've decided that most time I will not respond on that particular WhatsApp platform. I will come here publicly to respond to most of those things. Let's listen to Asari Dokubo, his successful operation in Igbo land, which was applauded by the government, giving kudos, and he was given another opportunity. No, a good work is another. When you do a good work, it's a room for another opportunity. Because of copyright, I will just play the video voice, maybe play from my phone for you to see it. Let's listen.
Our brothers who have died, especially those of us who are in Rivers State. We are not facing the danger and the difficulties they are facing in Abia. We are not facing the dangers and the difficulties they are facing here. We are not facing the dangers and the difficulties they are facing in Plateau and Niger.
Okay. He said, no matter whatever happened, since that they lost their beloved one of their members, they are gathered there either for the burial of whatever. So he now said they are not facing the kind of danger that they are facing in Abia, Imo. I mentioned Atu and Niger and some other places. So I won't play the video too long. Some of you must have watched it. If you have not watched it, chat me up. I will be able to send you the video for you to listen. So I want to analyze that video. But before that, it's a fact that he said that they are not facing what we are facing in Igbo land. So it's confirmed that there is a trouble in Igbo land, there's insecurity in Igbo land. Thank you for somebody's appreciating my shirt. Thank you. It was a customized one. If you look at the back, it has my studio name, Jovika. You can see the name there. So if you want it, you can just make purchase of ordinary $25. They will send it to you. Okay, let's listen to him. There's aspect where he said something that touched me. Listen.
The money that we get here.
The money that we get here.
The food that we eat.
The food we eat here.
Come from their sweat.
Come from the sweat of Ndi Igbo. You dey hear them?
We started our first operation on the 3rd of November 2021. The Anambra election.
Okay. They started their first operation in November 2021 in Anambra election. What does that mean? That means during the election to come and control peace. According to that's what they come, peacekeeping. Asari Dokubo to come and keep peace for you. It's like telling a lion to come and take care of your goat, your animal. It's like calling a lion to come and rear your sheep for you. And you guys know what will be the result of that particular thing. Let's hear him more, and I'll begin to analyze.
God,
Please share this video. Share this video. I'll be very sincere to my heart. This video will be a judgment to me if I want to attack anybody wrongly.
went back. The government asked us to go to Imo State.
Okay. He said because of how they performed in Anambra election and Anambra generally, even after the election, the government asked them to go to Imo State. Now, you guys should remember there was a time Nosonkwa Chinosoba was arrested and kept in custody for over 2 or 3 months thereabout before he was finally released. I may not be correct with the number, but last time he's still in detention now. One of the reasons why he was detained, that he made a video and said that the government of Hope Uzodimma is bringing Asari Dokubo to come and buy Imo State, to come and he be open dying. That was the video he made that landed him in that arrest. He went through a lot and later came back after he was granted bail. See, this video I'm making, as I said, let it be a judgment to me if I want to use it to condemn anybody without when I don't have facts and figures. Now, they have done that operation in November. From November in Anambra, they moved them to Imo State. And Donso made that video to confirm what Nonsense said. It is the confirmation of what Nonsense said. But he was arrested and he was lying against the government. And you know the operation they came, as I said, somebody came to keep peace for you in your own state. This is somebody who has brandished his AK-47 on social media, how he wants to bring down the Igbo nation. Everybody knows about it. This is a man who has shown much hatred for the Igbo. This is a man who vowed that he is above the Igbo, that he will deal with them right from the time that their father have been selling us as slaves to their expatriate. In those days, he has made it in his video. This is the same man our government is bringing to Igbo to come and bring peace because a relation was going on. I was given an illustration. It's like telling an animal to come and guide your sheep for you. You will all know, that what's going to be the result. That was the man he said the government brought them to Imo State. And it's obvious there's no way that he's confirmed government. Which government? Is it the federal government? Is it the state government? But government knows that he came to Imo State for peacekeeping because of insecurity. Then the question remains, when he came, did insecurity stop? No. Rather, it increased. Now, if it increased, please, Miss Parker, listen to me. I'm yelling because I know what I know, and you hear me. If you can be quiet and be peaceful, you listen to what I'm saying. Now, they brought him, he did all his activities and quiet our people. Now, this thing started in 2021. But I want to tell you, Asari Dokubo is telling when we were in Anambra, Imo State, they are no longer in Anambra. Particular video, he said when he was in Imo State, Anambra, they were there, his boys were there in Abia State, but they are no longer there. They have gathered there now. You can see them gathering, discussing. But unfortunately, the same insecurity that was there when they came is still going on. Then the question remains, who is responsible? Since Asari Dokubo he's confirming they came, they did, and they are thanking their whatever for the gallant approach they did in Igbo. Oto Ashibusha Igbo. Ha na-ekele Chineke ka nwere Igbo na-ekwu ha na-ekelezi Chineke na otu oshinye ha aka ha echiwe kele onye ọbụla ihe ndị ha mere ndị Igbo, that now the sweat of ndị Igbo is what they're feeding on. Let's take it. How are they feeding on our sweat? Number one, that invitation that was given to them, they were paid. Okay, Miss Parker, thank you so much. Okay, I understand what you're trying to say. I have a loud voice, so okay, God bless you. I'm not gonna yell, so they can understand me. Okay, let's take it one after the other. He said that they drink the money they have today, the food they're eating today came from the sweat of the Southeastern, or all the places they went for peacekeeping. That is where their sweat came from. He said it. And what does that mean? How are they feeding from the sweat of the Southeastern? Number one, they were invited by the government. They were heavily paid. That is the eating from our sweat. They were heavily paid.
She's the queen of this.
They were heavily paid. That's one. Number two, when they enter the land, a man with gun will definitely use the gun to feed himself. They took hold of our people in the name of kidnapping, and they were paid. They made money. That's number two. Number three, they looted the land. They must have looted so many treasuries, so many companies, so many offices, and they are eating from there. So this could be exactly what he meant by they are eating from the sweat of our people. Our government is responsible. But the question I ask now, Asari Dokubo is saying when we were in Igbo, in other words, he is no longer in Igbo. The question remains, why are we still having the insecurity? Those of you who sent me that video was bombarding me with questions. You are accusing Simon that who are the responsible? Have you heard from Asari Dokubo? Asari Dokubo is part of our problem in security. But he said in this video, when we were, that means they are no longer in Igbo. But why the insecurity continued? That's the question I ask. There was a video we saw 3, 4, 5 Mondays ago. November, either 21 or 22, thereabout, November, where 3 vigilantes were murdered in cold blood. Their guns were taken away from them. The video were made and how they were tied in Anambra. The question, was it Asari Dokubo boy that did that and took that gun from them? Because he said when they were, they are no longer there. Who tied our security men and collected the gun from them? Who have been buying our security men and have been collecting gun from them? We have been seeing video of some boys arrested, and when they are arrested, they will confess, look at their camp, that they are being sponsored by, they are part of a Biafran Liberation Army. I've seen such videos. God is my witness. If he chat me, I will send them to you. We saw a video of where people were making video of ammunition they caught after shooting some police guys in Imo State. They were making videos said, onye ndu anya agwala anyị na onye ọbụla wu uniform should resign. I don't know uniform I ga agba unu. Me yefe me onye Igbo me onye Hausa me onye Pụrụ as uniform. How about him and haji gbagbo ndị ahụ. And has now Bible now you that sit at home for 3 days. That was the day I sit at home. It's Monday. Someone sit at home Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So that people were shot either on Tuesday, thereabout. But you could sit at home. Yeah, and the police now got caught. Hey display the court paper. So now he deliver alone and I got caught. How about that person? But here what I mean when that particular video about Burubabos a POS person. Never know where POS by the side. I don't know was to be wedding. Oh, a wedding the next that weekend. What I got more more. But the information there, they want to wear POS Ababuru. So Ababule now the question remains. Onye ndu ha maboye dinyere ha say ha gbagbo bla uniform, and whether she made video, ma apologize to that onye ha gbagbo mistakenly. We're civilian. Nothing was done. Because you want to wear me post Super Simon that day that they nyere ha woto no where. Now if I come to accuse Simon or the responsible, guess nam na to ide ash na hate ya, but o mere video, o mere post na Twitter, sna nyere ha woto no where. All the date, all the location. Eme videos now only do send her now about her uniform. Then if I accuse somebody not responsible, guess now who hate Ria. Ishodi kwa gemma. Ishodi gemma. Number 2. Nda agada na agbagwari enwere onye mere video uchi here. Na onye obula nwere egbe. Na onye obula nwere CCTV camera. Na ya wopu ya egbe gi na gi submit to be Biafra exile office ha. Now one information here, if you are, whether you are a vigilante or an individual, you will submit it. Edge him the video on my system here. Now even if submit it here, now I get shown on you learn in the hard way. Yeah, make that video. Ebi the boo is in the vigilante. And the came also submit table. Now I got submit table to Biafra in exile. Now, after I make Chazere, I know about the vigilante and I hebe. Them guess him now Asari Dokubo made that video. Asari Dokubo made the video say submit your weapon to BRG. Biafra exile. Biafra government exile. Or Asari Dokubo made that one. So the problem most time because of maybe in love with somebody. You don't care your bola will made a mistake. You don't care. Nobody will talk. When we talk, yes, now we hate right or us. My passion and hatred, I just watched that one video and I've been crying here before my about this life. That is my nature. I cry for other people's pain. I've tried to keep quiet. It's not working. But that's my destiny. And I'm a man may not last in this earth. But he have brought me here in this earth without making impact. And before Gemeru, I must have made impact to my community. That's why I'm not afraid that guy be after me. So the question I would somebody they may tweet confirm or they have a man no Guess him but no. And now those Twitter now here to Finland. Guess me believe you can have hoku. None can go and guam, not be responsible. Okay, you should give me at your major. The video no here that Nekwahame Hagun, no how they may have one unknown government, no how not be from Liberation Army, not be from the Navy, no how. You know that. Then must see no may accuse. Guess now won't know job. Nam hatred, nam the jealous here. I just is short the game going to the quarter. Now on 13th of on 13th of I'm going to address our governors, but listen to it. On 13th of November, every video, every dismantle demarcation here about roadblock in the army. Where the governor you see an actual roadblock here in Kenami. Governor made videos now the work of the political opponent. Some of you love Rose Simon, but someone tweeted confirm that particular incident. Now going to have no roadblock in Igbo. Ndo Biafra here maybe a temple, a video, Nando to a video confirm that they had declared no roadblock. I tried that roadblock by Ndame. Then, Mabeguno see somebody Governoti and maybe to see now the political opponent here. Somebody now come to the governors, not political opponent. Mama, not when now Mungasamon. Yeah, government even hope was on the Memeko Queer. That now the political opponent. That is the right thing to say. Because number one, you declare now undana say how does someone way. Or will declare no Igbo Gabiawa just name with insecurity in Igbo. That's one. Number two. Ndana doesn't want to go is angry with him. Chetakwana teach you first lesson before. Magaragabo Loyako. So on the so on the Chosime, oh no bulu. Ya go to the now ya political sender to go send it. Now on that they are not against you people. Yeah, will give you a long name and do what you want to do. So then one of the boys that Gababu. If you when you ask not the political opponent, I would know where Yapande Nazon Waka. He was simply playing safe. Manoma your name. Now, I just don't the boy says Asari Dokubo, the responsible. But Manaju, what have you done to arrest the boys Asaria? Ebunu Jebe, Unu army in liberation exile. How many of the boys couldn't go? Here? None. They say, look at his boss. The boss had confessed, the touch her, her confessed this. All of a sudden, I have not seen such video. I want them when they send the Aram. Nkaya wouldn't them man, because they but you sit at home. One of some the enemy name on the zoo. Now sponsor her. Okay, on the zoo, thank you. Oh, my couldn't sit at home. Hey, Buzunu to enforce it. One name is enforce it at home. Oh, how? And when the insecurity, when Aka, Ndesahanas, as on for the Aka Hanway. Romania, then when ended our Eja and then one women Rala, a boy, I am Hammer, but that doesn't mean then when the idiots, GNA, young wear, a boy, young in video and today when I'm yesterday. I might share that dream here. Can you hold that is most sobuno? Now, Ota age someone age. You age you age there because of a video that on them. They claim more responsibility. He ain't the men of the responsible. All age you age there now. Or what the Nigerian government report Royal. Remember, they're sending evidences after he was arrested. Rather, he was arrested before last year. Ask her some question. He was released. Since that day, he has been on the watch list. And I watch it, financial transaction here. Fund in that hand a raise. That was what you made tweet to him and sinner. Okonji Wala. The World Bank millions. Dollars of dollars, billions of dollars. Actually divert the source of his Egondo Winter account because enough money. Ejibwe go back to an account here. I forgot how they go. So you want to divert attention. What do you call it? The World Bank borrowed the money. Okonjo-Iweala came and refuted that claim. It's not a young way to see. Sorry, maybe because I have a claim more. Now one year here. Now what of his now AI KG man. One boy president no one did that thing. He would have stopped at that, but he went ahead and started making a post on Twitter against that woman. Nakama they wouldn't what have you. They want you Nakawa. That in misery. Nde Finland anya to know what is going on. Because this one Okonjo-Iweala was getting for her second time. Because she did well in her first time. So that post, I won't want it or refute here, that thing will deny her email because I don't know debate. And when some people from Syria, Kabul, India, cheering up that woman that position. So that was one of the reasons her cheering up here. Yeah, tweet refute that thing immediately. She was I may understand that no, I can't know that thing. Then someone may put against her. Her mother don't know how to support her. Because that post that Simon against her, when he prove through to the world, I say, no, this guy is against you. That means exonerate that woman, but now he played under the table. And even Simon Baraki to make sure without making posts against her, it won't have given credence to the belief that woman saying we have on them. I have told you in your second position here. So the problem our mother jacket mother jacket would throw away here we are. One of the series of video tempo name and with the mother him a video and we can withdraw Yoruba see her confess one now again hamogi again mekwenka and me jogando na me chagbo that on Yoruba. He made a video goes no oh yeah the word is now the same video or Asari Dokubo made that video. One of the video one year local government chairman is that or not. Were mama pishi video ya goes over. Oh no, military baby long na di. Gaga in that video only na kwoku dey abo temple. The leader of Biafra Army controlled by Simon. Oiga go could betray me bimbia. Oh no temple no there. So mother ga who all these things. Uno say no let me get off ma. Uno say na hate you. Finally, most of these people are the accused. I don't make go direct my own person. They go directly involved. For the victim. Gini ka that man na can na mortuary do believe ya. Keri homere. Amitiria joy. E wonye Biafra. Ki wonye one Nigeria. The man say I didn't know Biafra. Man for now I can go one Nigeria. Na pe ka po. no be ome ka osakwara ya o ma na ihe ga ebutere ya onwu ya ka osara ele ho ji osi na Nigeria egbuo ya the man can na mortuary now owo onye ndị ogom my sister can allow there. So all these people now better akwa meet him, go see me evidence, go see me everything. The only I can na mortuary. Mbekwas na le boss but he gets him nam hetria, nam porayase, nam nebuebo. He shot the game ma. Joe Gaji, he shot the game ma. Nga korole aro na come cross atari kono happy matter ebem naga. Onya I want another person. Onye came for the victim of this thing. So I who tried this thing that complain and say biko kudocha na ala Igbo. Ono sna wundori na hatred ha. I kporo na asi. Chineke kere eligwe ne ga ma onye obula ikpe. Obi utom na enwere onye nwe ụwa, enwere kere ụwa. Ewezo onye ga mmadụ si were ụwa me ihe sọrọ gị mecha ka ikpe. Mana ihe obi utom bụ na enwere ha na-akpọ kama. Ihe ọbụla mmadụ mere na ụgwọ ga-eru ya ka. Asari Dokubo bịa gbuchi ụmụ Igbo anyị. Ọbara ahụ ga-achụ ọ ga-enwe udo na ndụ ya ahụ. Forget about your claim na ya na-eri ya na-enwe ego. O nwere ego enwe ego ọbara ka ọ na-eri. Eluigwe aga hapụ ya ka Chineke aga hapụ ya ka onye kere ndị Igbo Chineke ndị Igbo aga hapụ ya. Otu ụbọchị one day he will pay for whatever he did. That no two ways about it. Ndị gọvanọ kpọtara ha akpọta ha bịa mee anyị ihe a. It's not time. Our governor mmadụ aga nọgide the power to remain. Onwe elebe Abacha nọ. Yeah, but the politician they don't learn lesson. Kerebe Abacha no. Kerebe memela Kenan Mporo. Because they're in my Ahanya Mporo, they're my hair. Only Mporo na UK. Remind me. Only Mporo na UK because what's his name again now? Now why am I forgetting this man's name? The politician should remember Ekweremadu where he is. Achiku Denwa was the governor of Imo State. Elebono is no more. So the governor, I want to feel but anybody have a bushy man, some no some Kwakuna Moria, or Tamshukuna Nam Nigeria. I'm a Bekwalba. All quarter book game, we have a Sagamo Mano. Man, the message deliverer is there ringing. It's going viral. It's going. You can only kill the messenger, but you cannot buy the message. And it cannot be on top forever in your life. You must have a day to come down. I'm talking to the governors. Both Anambra, you heard what Asari said. Governor Soludo, you heard him. So he put an answer to come back. Kiwike win election. God will judge you. Away making someone like Korea. Each of them America. Send them here, report on them, Kaiba with them. I don't care. But Chineke man illegal man, you know me. I want to Asari Dokubo Korea. Oga hash, yeah, you make to his people. Illegal gamuni be. Oga drone number. You know me Igbo geru naka. One way or the other. Muwago wono. Oga drone number. When they go in the Chawana out to shine, me we Chania, but hemma. Obarando no kwafuru ga chukudono. Chubagano no don't gano. That's my prayer. You name it right there. Then I when I can say as on one way. One so man I call in there and I hold it. One very decline one way, I was the way, didn't you leave? Oh, when I call to me and that, and I got there and I go. O Baron Buron, Oziminade, Oziminade, Yona Hoyo Kuyana. O Barone Burumano Buria. Also give Burumask and you. Also give Gagwadeshi, Giga Gabu Onya Hamburgmana, Ebembo. Onye barambo buria osga no na crowd I na million na agba give up tom mboga target onye target egbo ya onye ahụ mara onye gbure because spirit works with spirit ezokwa nwana obara onye igburu no ginishi ọ ga-achụ gị ị na-aza nwere enwe. And I want to finally give expo to ndị niile mana one word the other participatory under Simon's oppression. Iwuru na ịnụ under him mee video Maki show your face, Maki show your face, give me your voice. Hajiana Chokunu. Escape for your life. Men escape. And when some boys say about snow some boys, claim it might be true, it might be wrong. I don't think all true for me, but I don't know. But whatever I want to learn anyway. This sona, Omoya, Omonga, and we will teach you video, whether you didn't bring your face or not, but don't look in on there. Ejoluru ne tres soon. Him jere make this Abama only bubble on one name. No matter how we care it. On a tomato on woman nade. That is my heart. But only buru mad on gesogi. Ube begalanebe. Obumagamalama. I talk a dividend too long. So in nutshell, aka ndesa na zo freedom na enwe nchekwa na Igbo. Ọ ihe m na-achị sa. Ma ha kwere ya, ma kwe ha aka ha dị ya. Mana onye ọbụla ihe akwasa arụ mara onwe ya. Onye hụ ihe ọjọọ ya kpọọ ihe ọjọọ, onye hụkwa nke ọma ya kpọọ ihe ọma. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu eji kwesịrị iwu our major target mara otu esi release ya. Ụfọdụ sị mba na ka aga declare Biafra. Declare go Biafra na Biafra bịalanụ. Akwe declare spend their millions of dollars. Declare Biafra. One of the treasurers raised the fund park here na baya. Oya Hajiego nde BRG in exile. Oga, don't release that money. Because when he releases that money, nothing you guys are not going to achieve anything. That's they declare they are just going and waste money. Omuru that in banana libo. All quite help us them can. The same insecurity can go on. I want to ndami nebuai, ndami can nebukai. I want to feel like I can ebukwai. I want to Asari Dokubo can ebukwe. It's still going on. At our mother the other day, 2 days ago. Retired Bishop, Archbishop of Newi, that's former Bishop of Newi, that's an Archbishop of Niger Province, Right Reverend Opala, is still under custody for 10 days now. An old man of 75 years old, a PK, Amohebono. I same none that I want to women there. Man, I'm when this Hana zone where you cannot identify in the Bundi when they're not put in a car. You can't identify them. I make a kiss in Baoge. Baby, in a zone where in a zop die. Why can't you save 1 down and kidnap? Give uncle that Saturday name here. Give uncle the government name here according to you do the claim. And when I came on no fe. Chirek and Igbo. Even I'm umneti. Yemneti called him. Yemneti called him. I called Judge in Nigeria. Umunna the Quachida I called the son as of the Chineke. Oh, una more fuma biko abua helu gubahala. Ekoko ki hobla meha. Ndasa na zo nworo onwe. Ndasa ha whatever ha dazo. Ma Simon no onyuku mo nyenta ha. Oburu na ha aka ha di ocha ihe nda na ebo ha. Chineke biko zọpụta ha. Chineke ala Igbo, Chineke kwa ala Igbo zọpụta ha. Ekwele ka ha gachakwa elu gala ka akpọ ha dị ndụ lọta. Ọwụ na ha melu ma ebukwa ha ga elu niile ha dị ndụ bata. Ihe ọbụla mmadụ ga-eme ha ga agara ya. Ebe ha ebube niile ya Chukwu zọpụta ha ma ọwụ na ha ji obi ọcha na-azọpụta ndị Igbo n'eziokwu na eziokwu. Ma onye nwanyị ọ bụrụ na ha naghị azọ ndị Igbo ha ji aghụghọ na-eweta ọnwụ n'ala Igbo Chineke ọbara ha ga-awụsakwara ha ga-adị ndụ hụ nwere onwe ala Igbo. Ma ọ na ha dị nsọ aka ha dị ọcha gọzie ha ekwele ka ihe ọbụla na-emegharu ha ahụ. Ma ọ na adịka ha dị ọcha aka nsị ha baa ha n'ọnụ. Ihe ha mere ndị Igbo ga-eru ha na ezinụlọ ha n'aka. That's my prayer. Ma Asari Dokubo gị ma gọvanọ gị ma ndị ndasa na lọgụ. Even ma ndị DOS ọkwa ndị DOS a na-ebukwu na ebubo akwụkwọ na-aka ụnụ dị ya ihe ọbụla mere ndị Igbo ọ ga-eru n'aka. Ma ọrụ ji obiọma na-atọ ka ndị Igbo nwere nwe ha ndị DOS ụnụ niile ọ ga-adịrụ na mma. Otu esi nwude Simon na-amaghị ikpe ka a ga-esi nwudekwa onye dị in charge of any crime na-emere anyị. Asịrị Dokubo watch out one day aka nshie ga-abakwa ya n'ọnụ. Akwa ndị Igbo kọsị na ọ dị na-eri nri na ọbara ndị Igbo ọ kwafuru. Our sweat ka o ji eri nri ego ọbara ha ga-egbu ya very soon. Ndị gọvanọ anyị ndị a mere invite ya bịa gbuchiche anyị ha na-esere ha gọvanọ. They are ruling on the ọbara ndị Igbo. Ọbara ga-achụkwa ha na gọvanọ ọsọ. Ịwụrụ nwanne gọvanọ ndị a get this video should be shared to them. Sekwa ha na the Asari Dokubo emekwere ha accused. They were invited in November 2021 to come and fight for Anambra election for their good work. I said, "Nyaha Imo, watch otaka obariko for Brashineme, Imo, and Anambra. Uno Chedana Majukari, Ewanana, Imo, and Anambra Kana, Zodi, Murowe. A mom, no, because of Governor Botanaha, Habanaga Quafrano, Brumunai, Emenai kidnapping. The governor, Unaga Laka free. Onwe Hepeterea, Unaga La free. Chidekanaho. Jehovah mazuru ihe ndị mmadụ na-eme n'ụwa. Otu aka ọ hara m n'ọnụ. Kpọọ m asị, hụ m n'anya. I'm speaking without any bias. I'm speaking based on ụmụ Igbo taga ahụhụ. Onye ọla na-efidi ọnụ ahụ ụmụ Igbo Guinness logo ga adịrị gị na mma. Lee ha na-eme nwatakịrị Igbo na shop onye Yoruba ga kụọ ha riri gbuwa isi ya na-eti ndị Igbo could not before they come eme ha ya na-eme luto shop ya buru ego ya la ya na-eme ndị Igbo all over the world. Anyị ebekwa n'ala Igbo anyị ụmụnne anyị sọ ga adịrị anyị na mma unu sọ ga-adịrị na mma ọ ga-adịrị na mma unu akpọrọ ụmụ unu ga-akpọgacha abroad na-ekipụ ala Igbo tụọ ọnọdụ at time ọ ga-adịrị na mma. Anya mmiri m na-ebe everyday maka ndị Igbo Chineke mana ọbara anya mmiri a ga-apụ n'efu ọ ga-achụ unu ka emesịanụ.